Dilly dilly boom, close your eyes now. Someone's walking outside and knocking on the door. Dilly dilly boom, birds are chirping. Ding dong, I know you can hear me. Open up the door. I only wanna play a little ding dong. You can't keep me waiting. It's already too late for you to try and run away. I see you through the window.
Anak! Bumaba ka dito? Opo! Pag di ka bumaba, kukunin ko yung cellphone mo. Yes, Dad. Nag-elite match pa ako.
Dilly dilly boom, close your eyes now. Someone's walking outside and knocking on the door. Dilly dilly boom.
If you see another person that looks identical to you, run away and hide.
Hi. Hello? Baka gusto mo ng friends or makausap. Meron ako dito, elite match. May invitation code ako. Baka gusto mong mag-elite match? Madali lang to. Actually,
Dilly dilly boom, close your eyes now. Someone's walking outside and knocking on the door.
Oh, hi guys! Hello po! Welcome back ulit dito sa aking live. Ayan, kung meron kayong questions guys, i-type nyo na yan sa comment section. Ayan, uy, meron na tayong comment agad. Ayan, yung comment niya is, paano po ba makahanap ng friends? Oh, simple lang yan para makahanap ng friends. Isa lang yung marirecommend ko sa'yo, ang Lit Match. Pwede mong gamitin yung aking invitational code at makakatanggap ka ng surprise. At before... Oh. Guys, wait. Matawag. Hello?
Hello, what's your favorite scary movie?
Ito guys, babalik ako guys.
Would you like to play a game? I want to play a game. Stab movie trivia. 3 rounds. You call the cop, she dies. You get a question wrong, she dies. Sydney's in every movie but the last one. Amber might live to see the sunrise. Who played the dumb bitch? Wait!
Oh, ayan, sorry guys. Ayan, pasensya na po. Sino yung tao sa likod mo? Wala naman.
Dilly dilly boom, close your eyes now. Someone's walking outside and knocking on the door. Dilly dilly boom, the night birds are chirping.
Excuse me. Excuse me, hello? Po? Sorry po, nagli-lit match po kasi ako. Baka gusto mo ng invitation code po, sir. Marami kang surprise na matatanggap kapag ilalagay mo yung code ko. Hindi, ano kasi, may tao na sumusunod sa akin kanina pa. Actually, malapit na po kami magsara. At ikaw na lang po yung inaantay ko po. Sino kanina? Sino po?
Silent night hides all is going to believe